Your fourth photo assignment in digital news photography for the online term. That's what this video pertains to. It is the first of several news photo stories that you will shoot. What it says here, I'm going to specifically go over the assignment sheet for as it relates to this assignment because usually students do have questions. Ideally, you want to find some event to shoot. When I say shoot, to cover in terms of photographs. Once you have determined an event, you want to ensure that it would lend itself to a photo story of some sort. So if you think back to the photo assignment 1, 2, and 3, it dealt with general composition. This fourth assignment is completely different. Okay, I'm going to read these first two paragraphs just to help better emphasize what this assignment consists of. It says, from press conferences and demonstrations to breaking news and enterprise reporting. Shooting news, distinguished from the recent photo composition assignments, is how photojournalists spend much of their time. Photographing news is similar to reporting news. Journalists are expected to convey a message of news through word. Photojournalists are expected to convey a message of news through photographs. So again, for this fourth photo assignment, you need to find an event of some sort to cover. For this assignment, students are required to shoot 120 new and original photographs depicting a hard news story. Now, I have to emphasize new and original. That means that these photographs should not have been taken prior to taking this course. These photographs should not have been already used for the photo assignments 1 through 3. What is indicated is that the photographs must be shot between a certain time when this assignment became available, which was Sunday, January 29th at 5 a.m. through the deadline of this assignment. So all of the photographs, the 120 images for the fourth assignment, should relate to one single event. No photograph shot before or after will be a part of the photographs to be graded. Just as an example, it says you can cover a speech, a press conference, a meeting, a protest, bad weather, accidents, etc. Do not shoot photographs that demonstrate soft news. Examples are sorority, fraternity, parties, pool parties, social event activities, church events, theatrical plays, video gaming, or random fluffy social activities. Not for this assignment. Also what it says, not sports also. Now, normally, and that is the same for this assignment, I'd like to know what students' plans are in terms of their photo assignment. So you do have a deadline in terms of submitting your idea. Rarely do I tell students no, but because there are requirements, I do like to know ahead of time to make sure students are in the right direction in terms of their approach to this fourth photo assignment. So the deadline for submitting your photo assignment for idea is at 11:59 p.m. on Friday, February 3rd. This is not due until the following Tuesday, February 7th, but by pretty much midnight of February 3rd, you want to submit your idea, and I will try my best to quickly approve your idea. And within the context of you sending me an email with your idea, the email subject should be JRN3300, assignment for idea, a message body, so maybe 2 sentences in some description about your idea or concept, and then your name at the bottom. Let's move on to the specifications of the assignment. The required techniques. What it says here, which is the case for all photo stories, photojournalism requires preparation and planning. Okay, maybe you haven't experienced that yet, but believe me, in covering an event, you have to prepare for it in terms of what time, what are the times of the event, where's the location, what maybe is the size of those persons that are participating, those persons in attendance. Those are the things that you have to think about. The requirements here are 4 different techniques. The first is long range of shots, medium range, close-ups, and also perspective. So 30 for each, with 4 categories amounting to 120 images. And you will upload all 120 images. I'm pretty sure of that. Yes, we're going to get down to that. I have here at the bottom of this first page just a repeat of what's in the PowerPoint in terms of what is the purpose of a long shot, medium range, close-ups, perspective, so you can read that. Now for this assignment, I am going to look at your sort of creativity. Also, I encourage you, as is indicated here, you're not required to use certain compositions, but the purpose of the compositions 1, 2, and 3 assignments are to help you apply compositions, general compositions, to the photo stories. Photojournalists, for example, are not given an assignment to cover photographs and demonstrate the rule of thirds. However, knowing that concept or that composition, it's important that a photojournalist keeps in mind, okay, instead of shooting this photograph at eye level, maybe I try a different perspective. I try a different viewpoint. Maybe I try framing or rule of thirds.